Hi guys, welcome to Sharpie's Garage. A few people have been asking me how go on about if they round the Torx off on transit front discs, on front disc brakes. I finally come across the problem and they were totally rounded off. I couldn't do it with them. So this is a video on how I got round it. So I hope it helps you out. If you haven't seen the original video, I'll put a link up here somewhere. If you want to click on that and watch the original one first. But this is the second one I did. And the Torx were totally rounded off, and so I hope it helps. Hope you enjoy. So as usual, we've got it supported on a couple of axle stands. So the Torx T50s are totally rounded off at this point, so the only solution I got was to cut into the disc with the angle grinder. Once I'd cut two lines in, I'd just cut it from line to line and then belted it with a hammer. And that didn't quite work, so I had to go a bit deeper with the two lines going towards the centre of the disc. I used the angle grinder from the back of the disc. I went as close to the hub as what I possibly could, and then it just knocked off a treat. So then I had to cut into the upstand part of the disc. I just cut across and put two little nicks in it, then whack that out with a hammer as well. So once I'd knocked that section out, I could go hammer and chiseling and get the Torx T50s out. I've tried easy outs, I've tried all sorts, but the bolts are that soft, it just seems to round everything off. And then luckily for me, once I'd knocked them loose, they just unscrewed nicely. I did feel like a bit of a butcher doing this, but I really couldn't think of another solution. If anybody else has got a solution, let us know in the comments. So yeah, we'll go with that. If you want to see my original video where I did everything properly, if you like, I'll put a link at the top and a link in the description. So I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I hope it's helped somebody out. This is my solution to the problem. If anybody else has got a solution, feel free to let me know and I'll have a go at that. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.